recording has started.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। So let us start now. Page number I will tell you now. Let's remember that I have given to you in homework page number 113 जो मैंने आपको होमवर्क में दिया था, आप सब लोग ने कर दिया होगा। आई होप दैट यू ऑल हैव डन। Arnav Patel, please don't do unnecessary this type of message. Question mark, why? Who is Arnav Patel? Let's remember page number 113. Are you ready, all of you? I will unmute any one of you what you have written. Okay? Okay, I would like to unmute Joy Ugreja. Joy, please read and give your answer. Beta.
When the person is replaced alone and it is not
No, page number 113. Let's remember 113.
Yes. Motor is leading up to make the party.
Which type of force is that used by motor? Okay, क्या बोले? Hello. What's your answer?
Electrostatic force.
No, beta. It's mechanical force, beta. So all of you, if you have written wrong, then you should correct it. Mechanical force. First one में आएगा mechanical force. Please write proper. Mechanical force. Now second one, I would like to unmute Vaishnavi Kanani. Please read second one and give your answer. Vaishnavi Kanani. Vaishnavi, please give your answer. Okay, I would like to unmute Kavan Chikani. Second one. No one. Okay, I will tell now the answer. You should compare your answer. If your answer is wrong, then you should correct it. Second one, Rama is playing football with her friends. The answer is mechanical force. रमा क्या यूज कर रही है, कौन सा फोर्स यूज कर रही है? Mechanical force. Please write in your textbook. If you have not written or you have done, then check it. Third one, the displacement of water caused when you put an iron ball in a bucket of water. The answer is buoyant force. Buoyant force is the correct answer. Let us move now. Next one. Fourth one now. Shreya is drawing on a chart paper. The answer is frictional force. The correct answer is frictional force. Now fifth one. Listen carefully. Manohar is finding it hard to cycle uphill. The correct answer is frictional force. The correct answer is frictional force. Sixth one now. A freeze magnet placed on the freeze. The correct answer is magnetic. The correct answer is magnetic. Magnetic force is the correct answer. Now we move to the another one. Seventh one. Ashish threw a ball up in the air and it come down. The correct answer is gravitational force. That is the correct answer. Gravitational force. Did you write, everyone? Did you check? Now we move for another. Let's remember that on page number 118. Did you write, everyone? And did you check, everyone? थर्ड वन का है buoyant force, नैन्सी परसुमिया. Now we will do now page number 118. Let's remember, check it. I hope that you all have done your homework very well. You all are very good. Now let's remember, fill in the blanks with suitable words. First one, when the fulcrum is in between the load and the effort, it is a class dash lever. The correct answer is first.
Class.
The correct answer is first class lever. Okay. Now second one, a dash is a small wheel with a groove around the outer edge to move a rope on it. The correct answer is pulley. That is the correct answer. Please write it if you have not written, and please check if you have written. And if your wrong answer, then correct it. Everyone. Now we move to the third one. A pulley does not reduce the effort, it changes the depth of the applied force. देश में आएगा आंसर डायरेक्शन. Direction is the correct answer. Now we move for the fourth one. Are you all ready? Please confirm and check. Second answer, pulley.
Yeah.
Okay. Third one we have done. Now fourth one. Our elbow is an example of a class dash levers. तो फोर्थ में आंसर आएगा थर्ड क्लास लीवर. थर्ड क्लास लीवर फोर्थ में आंसर आएगा. सेकंड में ध्रुवील नमकोरिया का मैसेज आ रहा है. सेकंड में पुली आंसर. थर्ड में डायरेक्शन. फोर्थ फिलअप में थर्ड क्लास लीवर. नाउ we move for the fifth one. The steering wheel of a car rotates against a stationary desk. The correct answer is axle. The correct answer is axle. Did you write, everyone? Did you correct it? Okay, fine. So let us move now for question answer of textbook. Please open your textbook. Everyone, did you open? Please confirm. And then we start. Please confirm on chat. Are you all ready? फोर्थ फिलअप में आंसर आएगा थर्ड क्लास लीवर, पेज नंबर 120. आंसर द फॉलोइंग. और फिफ्थ वन के आंसर है एक्सल या तो रोड. दैट इज द करेक्ट आंसर, एक्सल. Now, question answer. First one. I will unmute you, any one of you, that you have to find the answer and tell. Okay? What's your answer? First one. I read the question first. What is friction? पीडीएफ भेजेंगे आपको. हाँ, पीडीएफ तो आपको भेजेंगे. हाँ, ओके. नो एनी issue about it. First one. What is friction? Give two advantages and two disadvantages of friction. I would like to unmute Nancy Persumbia. Please tell what you can write.
Yes, sir. Friction is the force that acts to stop the movement of objects across a advantage is of friction. Friction between
Advantage कौन सी पेज पर है? Do you know?
What, sir?
Where is the advantage of friction? In which page number? Do you know?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, बोलिए बेटा. Now, जो एडवांटेज लिखना है, हाँ बोलिए बेटा.
Friction between our feet and the ground makes it possible for us to walk.
वेरी गुड. इतना ही लिखना है. बस इतना ही. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, फर्स्ट एडवांटेज आ गया. देन सेकंड एडवांटेज.
Friction makes it hard to slide heavy objects such as heavy pieces of furniture or a heavy box across the floor.
ओके. दो एडवांटेज लिखना है एंड दो डिसएडवांटेज. तो इसमें तीन दिए हैं. यू कैन राइट एनी टू. राइट? ओके, फाइन. दूसरा एडवांटेज लिख सकते हो. द फ्रिक्शन बिटवीन द टायर ऑफ व्हीकल्स एंड द रोड मेक्स देम रोल फॉरवर्ड. Thus, friction makes movement of vehicle possible. Then one of the disadvantages, friction generates heat. You can feel it by rubbing your palms, right? Friction generate heats, इतना लिखो तो भी चलता है. And that is disadvantages of friction, right? And अगर ज़्यादा लिखना चाहते हो तो friction causes damage to tires of vehicles, the sole of our shoes, and machine parts, making these objects wear away with time. So this is the first answer. Now we move for the second one. What is energy? Name any 5 forms of energy. Only what is energy उसका आंसर देना है and only 5 forms energy का name देना है. So I would like to unmute next one, children. Veer Kadiwar. Okay, Veer. What's your answer? Veer Kadiwar. There, Veer Kadiwar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो बेटा. What is energy?
The ability to do work is called energy.
Very good. And 5 forms of energy. Name.
Heat energy, light energy,
Yes.
mechanical energy,
Mechanical energy बेटा.
mechanical energy,
Electrical energy.
marine energy.
Yes, you can write this any 5 energy name. Very good. Keep it up. Fine. Good answer. Very good. Now differentiate between renewable and non-renewable energy. Renewable energy and non-renewable energy के बीच में difference आपको देना है. So I would like to unmute any one of you. Riddhi Solankar. Okay. Tell your answer. हाँ रिद्धि बोलिए. Riddhi Solankar is there? Riddhi Solankar, please tell your answer. No. Okay. Then
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
बोलिए आंसर बेटा.
Sir, energy
हाँ
that
बोलिए.
can be energy that can be renewed or
Energy that can be renewed over a period of time is called renewable energy. So
And-
first point हो गया.
and-
Now example.
example
Solar energy.
are solar energy, wind energy,
Very
and
good.
geometry
Fine.
energy.
And geometry नहीं है बेटा. Geothermal energy. Okay बेटा. Okay. Fine. Now non-renewable energy.
Energy that can be renewed or
Cannot be renewed.
cannot be renewed or repressed over a period of time is called non-renewable energy. The example of non-renewable energy is
Coal, petroleum.
coal and petroleum.
Okay, fine, very good. Riddhi, good try. Very good. Now, I would like to tell the next question that in the textbook. define a simple machine. Name any two type of simple machine. Only though name then a simple machine. और पहले define देना है simple machine. So I would like to unmute any one of you. And you have to give your answer. Any one of you, I would like to tell. Angel, please tell your answer. Is there Angel? Okay. I have not heard any voice from the Angel, so I mute now Arnav Patel. Okay, Arnav, tell your answer. What is simple machine? Define a simple machine. I would like to unmute another children. Now, Hemansi Mange. Yes, Hemansi, please tell your answer. बोलो बेटा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का आंसर आपको देना है. डिफाइन ए सिंपल मशीन. नेम एनी टू टाइप्स ऑफ सिंपल मशीन. Hemansi Mange, please tell your answer now. We didn't hear your voice, Hemansi. Okay, I will tell now the answer. What is simple? Define simple machine. A machine that uses a single applied force to overcome a single force is called a simple machine. Keywords में इसका आंसर दिया है बेटा. And name any two simple machine. कोई भी दो simple machine का नाम लिख सकते हो. Wheel and axle, pulley, inclined plane, weight, screw. इसमें से कोई भी दो का नाम. लीवर, इसमें से कोई भी दो का नाम आप लिख सकते हो. Okay, fine. Now next one. What is lever? What is a lever? Draw diagrams of the three types of lever. लीवर मतलब क्या? एंड डायग्राम्स आपको ड्रॉ करना है लीवर का. तीन टाइप के जो लीवर है, फर्स्ट क्लास लीवर, सेकंड क्लास लीवर एंड थर्ड क्लास लीवर. So listen the answer now, everyone carefully. It is a rigid rod arranged in such a manner that it can move freely around a fixed point is called lever. Again I repeat the answer. Listen carefully everyone. It is a rigid rod arranged in such a manner that it can move freely around a fixed point is called lever. Then diagrams आपको draw करना है. First class lever, second class lever and third class lever के that you have to do in homework. Now we move for the sixth question. Are you all ready? Okay, मैं ध्रुवील लंगपड़िया को अनम्यूट करूंगा. मैं चाहूंगा ध्रुवील लंगपड़िया को अनम्यूट करके सिक्स्थ आंसर. What is now the question I will read now. With the help of an example, describe a wheel and axle. Describe a wheel and axle. Okay, Rovil, I unmute you. Wait a minute. Rovil. Rovil Rangpadia. Okay. Rovil, I unmute you. Please tell your answer.
Wheel and consists of wheel rigidly attached to a rope called axle. The wheel is rotated. The axle also rotates. Example of a wheel and axle: a screwdriver, a piece of car.
Very good. Keep it up, Rovil. Fine answer. Page number 116 पर आंसर दिया है. Wheel and axle का जो पैराग्राफ है that we have to write. I repeat again. A wheel and axle consists of a wheel rigidly attached to a rod. When the wheel is rotated, the axle also rotates. Examples of a wheel and axle are a screwdriver, a doorknob, and the steering wheel of a car. That is the answer. Very good, Rovil. Fine. Now we will move for the worksheet. Please open, all of you, your worksheet. Every one of you, please open your worksheet. Did you open your worksheet? Please confirm on chat, then we start. There is given in worksheet, fill in the blank with the correct words. Did you open, everyone? Yes, I got your confirmation on chat. Very good. First one, here is fill in the blanks with the correct words. A push or a dash acting on an object is called force. Yes, first answer आ गया है मनीष जोशी का on chat पर. Very good. Pull is the correct answer. Keep it up. Fine answer. Very good. Now, second one. Earth's dash keeps us and other objects on the ground. The correct answer is gravity. The answer is already given by the Rovil Lampadia in chat. Very good. Keep it up, Rovil. Now, third one. Friction makes it gas to slide heavy objects across the floor. The correct answer is hard. Hard is the correct answer. जो भी आंसर दे दिए हैं ध्रुवील लकड़िया, once again, very good, give it up. Now, fourth one, energy that an object has because of its position is called dash energy. The correct answer is potential energy. That is the correct answer. That also given by Will and Srishti Kalaria. Fine, good answer. Fine answer. Keep it up. Now we move for the fifth one. A dash machine uses a single applied force to overcome a single force. The correct answer is simple. Simple machine. That is the correct answer. Very good. All of you have given the correct answer. Keep it up, everyone. Doorknob is an example of dash. Doorknob is the example of dash. So again, the answer is wheel and axle. That is the correct answer. Wheel Ganpadiya ने answer correct दे दिया है. Very good. Keep it up. Now, make the pair. Are you all ready for make the pair? First, you all do yourself. Then we solve it. I am giving you time for 2 minutes. You do it, and then we solve it. Are you all ready? Have you done? Whenever you complete it, please confirm on chat. Then we start. Okay, here is first one. Class 1 lever. What will become? इसके सामने आएगा crowbar. Crowbar is the correct answer. Let's write it. And second one, class 2 levers. The correct answer is wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow is the correct answer. Okay, Nancy, 6 fill-up का आंसर आएगा wheel and axle. Please confirm. Okay. Second, मैथ द पेयर में जो है उसमें wheelbarrow. Then class 3 levers. What is the correct answer? Any one of you? Class 3 levers. Fishing rod. Yeah, that is the correct answer. Given already by Dhruvil and Srishti. Very good. Class 3 lever में आएगा fishing rods. Very good. Then next one, wheel and axle. Wheel and axle. The correct answer is screwdriver. Screwdriver is the correct answer. Srishti ने दे दिया है पहला आंसर. Very good. Keep it up, Srishti. Fine answer. Screwdriver. Then inclined plane. The correct answer is a sloping ramp. That is the correct answer. A sloping ramp. That is the correct answer. Then screw. स्क्रू के सामने आएगा स्क्रू जैक. Screw jack. That is the correct answer. Then weights. Weights के सामने what will come? Head of an X. Head of an X. So children, this much we have done. I will send PDF to you also. Everyone, have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye everyone. Have a nice day to everyone.
Bye.